peeps. Even though you see that? Yeah, go on. Yeah, peeps. You watch how I go on. Add some. Peeps. Crab bush, but the rain not fall. Me know what go on. But me and bush there tonight, peeps. See that? The 50 caliber with the banana clip. Bush I go shoot them tonight, peeps. And me I carry back. So now stay tuned and look what I go on. See it? Now if I repellent up. That is it. The outside. Tap it. Crab. Roll him. Oi. Come, take a look. Watch it now, smack it over. Go and take him up, bush. Yes, and peeps, the first one is catch me look in a hole, you know. Come on, step into water. No, take your time, easy. Alright, first one, peeps. Watch your finger, you know. Alright. What's the scorpion there? See? Yes, you like the pan there?
Yeah.
Oh, what that? Come. Outside though, you know? Right, that's what I always have to grab grass over there and mango pour over there. So go on. Pour for back, right? So our grass. See the crab move. Oh, that fish. You grab him?
He swims.
You move. See him there?
You see him?
See him there?
I know him that one.
How about that? Sunfish?
Sunfish.
So?
I have big good swims in them.
Eh?
You fish them.
What kind of fish that?
Can some big blue plate one lie down here. Shopping the machine.
Better know. If we cross this beach, we are walking out.
Young mullet them.
A mullet?
Young mullet.
Hey, mullet enough for why you find in the bush? You know? Why are you for cross that? What's the sunfish there?
Big one.
See him there? No, nice.
Crab that?
Yeah, a local crab. A purple crab.
I don't know this one.
Peeps. I got you water, but the peach persian there, no? What? Eh? Because it's deer. You hold him? Take him up. Nice. Hold him, Clary. Clary, disappear. Hold him, come on. Don't jump on me. Go to him. What that? Hear that?
Dog.
My dog. That's the coming to know. Tap him, shove him down there. Crab on. Come on, then. Nice. Two one. Really? Crowdy for hole. Really? What's your here? Let's chew it all down. Yes, peeps, so them crab are eating purpose, that's why I shoot them. You know? Crab tree that we're gone already. So I want to tea. See them, man? What deep half?
Mati man.
Yeah, chuchung man. I spray no. I'm asleep. See, big. My wall. Nah, wall.
Lagi deh.
Drop him in, man. Drop him in. Drop him in. Drop him in. Let the back in go. Get him? Nice. Peeps. Nice. Take him out. Take him out, everyone. Nice. One bush ah. Biar woman crab fatty bush. Yeah man, everything I go in a bag now. Remember eating purpose. Clean off the price spare peeps so the gill can lie down. Yes, some peeps, you know, adventures in the bush, you know, see how they? Shall watch your head back, you know. Yeah man. You see what I go on peeps? Right now in a hot. You see what's to go spray on the mosquito repellent? Oh God man. Yeah man. See a foot jack there? If Mickey make a buck in a bush, I take up all the foot there, you know. See eh? Yeah man, drop it in the bag man, see the peeps? No go to waste. No go to waste boy. Ay namin ko. Iya man, ay namin ko man. Oo. Ah. Chill deh. Chill. Mash it. Spear? Pull the spear. Yeah, my peeps, so now they got the wall or the cut one tree where black the crab van come out. I never cut out the wall peeps. I can want some crab feet, you know, badly, and the rain not falling. Don't know why. One. Wiggle him out. Same way. Mine bite, you know. Or pinch you, should I say.
Take time, pull it.
I'll do that. Why? Him face a tear off. Him big man. Him not take off him big laugh. Don't tear what you want, yeah? Oh, you know what to get away? Hold him, put that on them.
Get in now, little.
Alat to. Sudah sadar sana lo bakawi. Hold him, put him there. Oh, they more they attack.
Yeah, man, there's some black more than this one. One of shoot what they.
They more they make it nice, you know.
Also, I'm going to blood clot.
One did it right near the wall. He make pan him fire it. Shoot him, see me man. If make him come up, we not find none. Shoot him.
Over him.
Over him. Nice. Coaching back. Yeah. Go to cheat what too.
This is you, Tamara.
Black him.
Come out.
I take it time when that's all. I'll leave a crab in the mole. They may like good weird on the mole, you know. Take him out, excavator bass. Don't be up spray na excavator bass. You also so big. See there? Oh, auntie man. Ah. No, you are much jump on foot. Take it out, excavator bass. My one next time they will on by you. Tikoti. Yeah man, we need it man, everything we need. Curry crab, roti. Nah man. Get you, young get you. Yeah man, people go past straight on the fridge, them again. But you know, kaya know say, think the crab roti belly, you know. Fully bag na peeps. Kasi a word. Yeah man, overshot ya forgive.
Budak gua digaw lawan
Hold on, yeah man. Come to, see me, don't make him go in. Go on, boom, pa man, make crab gone.
Left hand side, brother, left hand nature, you turn to you.
Yeah, turn na right hand, man. Big, you know. You gone far? You hold him. I want. Take him up. Don't make him get away now. Don't make him bite there. Uy, man, may crab bite man.
Man so kuhat na.
Man kawad. What a man fool of peeps. Shoot him. One miss. What a rooks. What's over there? What a rooks. Per shot. Get him per shot. Ah, threw him back. Nice. Look if it's in a more per shot. You have to cut himself. Eh? Take it up and load back the gun. I saw the joint right big.
Yeah.
You need to chop it out before the crab sees it coming.
You know how they do?
Yeah. Per shot. It knock him man. You can't biggie man. Spear crabbing. Reach back, you know. Reach up back at least. You know, some of them are alive, some of them will shoot. See the way? I get them in a bag, go up on the fridge, because you know at night now, about 10 o'clock at night. That's it. Then when I got shot. I want to catch. That is it. Just a piece of active in here, you see that? Yeah man, so I get them cut up. So now I see how I cook them and curry them down with some breadfruit, you know? Yeah man, that is it man. That is it. Them wanna die. I chop them up right away, chop them on the fridge. Stay tuned my peeps. Soon tomorrow. Crab time, you know? We have season them, cut up us up. We have some scallion, we have some thyme, we have some pumpkin. We have some already. Pimento, you know, we get the pimento crushed and going at peeps. We have some scotch. We have put about 4 scotch in it already. Yeah man, so that is it man. So, look what I'm going over there. Crab well seasoned up with some fish season, all purpose and chicken season, you know? Chicken crab. One drop it island pot there. Yo, smell like crab curry already. Man, dropping the pepper and pot and thing. Wah, bunja dong sama sini eh. Full pepper butin natin no. Siapa ka? Full pepper, yeah man. Mana doze do? We have it man. Only pepper there. Time maton sekalian. Man. Crab? Gadong crab. Some jap na yay. Bon mi no? Crab gravy ka namin. Hi! Is it? Come to the party. Yes my peeps, sekarang tropical one ta Japi ini. So aguan, pumpkin and nursa sees them, flavor the pot, make them cook up, you know? So, and the seafood ya?
Yeah man.
Top shooter, you know.
Peeps, I first hear them and I thought, no. Where's the Shaq? Shaq, take a thing out there, what?
Respect, man.
That is it.
Every time.
My peeps, see, watch how I go on. Add some more things to the pot. You know? Yeah, man, one tropical one to outside, you know? Yeah, man, and one Kirky outdoor living there.
Yes, family with you. And we are going to mash up some masala crab. Jamaica adventure, go out there and get some crab there. And some land crab. What you say, a curry or we are jerk?
Curry crab.
Curry
Yeah, jerk crab.
Curry jerk. Roast jerk.
That is it, man.
Anyway, people, somewhere, we are going to mash it up, you know what I mean?
That is it, man.
Yeah, man.
That's one peeps, you see, yeah? You know? Right, ready? Crab ready. Yo, so the pot ko ba?
Oh, me fan of YouTube.
Alum? Kaya nga sa lipat ko, alum. Junkie.
Yeah, man. Crab, they look good, people. They look, they real curry, real masala.
Smells good too.
Yeah, true, yeah, man.
Look. How much should I say? How much should I say?
I don't want to cut her.
Crab tamale.
Crab tamale, bone jack, crab tamale.
See ya? I'll put some more crab right. Alright, what put some more crab right? Two? Why didn't crab big, you know? Big, yeah. Don't put the next one on right? Don't put the next one on there. Come on. I'm going to put the beer pan. We want the pan rice or shiny side.
Same with my one.
Yeah, one. Come closer. Jar, look closer. That is it, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps. So, you know? Yeah, man.
Play back
Where say go? Where go? Where crab go?
Nice.
Eh?
Yes. Nice.
Look at the camera, man, and tell the people. It's sweet and sour.
YouTube,
Nice, man.
Where say, cuz? How it taste? Sweet. Eh? See, man, I'll shoot the crab, them peeps.
Yeah, man. I'm a cookie man in the
That is it. Where's the general? Yo, over there. Kirky outdoor.
Yeah.
How the crab taste?
Yes, good. One more.
You want more? That is it, man. That is it. General, where's our crab peeps?
Yeah, man.
A crab clad, eh? Massive. Look at meat. Meat
Nice,
with these. That is it, man. Steve, where you say? How you go? A knife you eat with? I say nice. Make you eat with knife? That is it, man. Work my food, I don't know. So, peeps, soon the next one. See? That is it.
Oi.
Oi.
Oi, one for me. Oi, people.
Look at you, much up.
Oi, people. If I'm out of nasty. Jesus, God, really mango nasty, you know? Yeah, man, we just did that night, I did thing, you know?